Vietnamese Pho Ga, chicken pho. A fragrant Vietnamese chicken noodle soup with a clear, aromatic broth infused with ginger, onion, and spices. Serves 4 people. Ingredients for the broth: 1 whole chicken, about 1.5 to 1.8 kilograms / 3 to 4 pounds. 2 large yellow onions, halved, 100 grams, 3.5 ounces. Fresh ginger, sliced lengthwise. 2 tablespoons salt. 1 tablespoon rock sugar or regular sugar. 2 tablespoons fish sauce. 3 liters, 12 cups. Water. Pho Spices. 2-star anise pods. 1 cinnamon stick, 7 to 8 centimeters / 3 inches. 1 teaspoon coriander seeds. 4 cloves. 1 black cardamom pod. Optional. For serving: 400 grams, 14 ounces. Dried rice noodles, banh pho. Cooked chicken meat, shredded. 2 spring onions, thinly sliced. 1/4 cup cilantro leaves, garnishes. 2 cups bean sprouts. 1 lime, cut into wedges. 1 red chili, thinly sliced.
Grind. Toast the spices. Add star anise, cinnamon, coriander seeds, cloves, and black cardamom to a dry pan.
Start the broth. Place the whole chicken in a large stock pot. Add charred onions, charred ginger, toasted spices, salt, and water. Bring to a gentle boil.
Simmer gently for 60 to 75 minutes. Skim any foam from the surface during the first 20 minutes, avoiding a rolling boil to keep the broth clear.
When the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 75 degrees Celsius, carefully remove it and let cool for 15-20 minutes.
Strain through a fine sieve. Season with fish sauce and sugar. Taste and adjust for a savory, slightly sweet, and fragrant broth.
Add cooked noodles, top with shredded chicken, sprinkle spring onion and cilantro. Ladle hot broth over everything. Serve immediately with garnish platter on the side. Guests can customize with lime juice, bean sprouts, basil, mint, and chili.